Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your graphic design with Visme, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Visme website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Visme account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Create button. Choose the type of graphic design project you want to work on. Select a template that suits your needs. Customize the template by changing the text and images. Use the drag and drop features to arrange elements. Add additional elements like icons or charts as needed. Explore the stock image library for high-quality visuals. Incorporate your brand colors and fonts for consistency. Take advantage of the animation options to bring your design to life. Preview your project to see how it looks in action. Adjust any elements that don't meet your expectations. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Download option. Select your preferred file format for saving. Alternatively, share your project directly via social media or email. Consider using the scheduling feature for social media posts. Return to the dashboard to start a new project or edit existing ones. Utilize Visme's analytics to track engagement on your shared designs. Explore integrations with other tools you use for efficiency. Make it a habit to regularly update your designs for fresh content. Stay updated with Visme's new features and enhancements for better automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.